How to practice parallel parking with cones. Do you struggle with parallel parking? Is it a multi-move effort that sees you in and out of the parking bay, not quite getting it right, eventually storming off in frustration? Well, we're going to show you how to practice your parallel parking using just a few traffic cones. Lay your traffic cones out in the shape and size of a regulation parking bay. Then, follow these next steps. Step 1. Pull up close alongside the front car. Step 2. Reverse until your rear wheels are in line with its bumper. Step 3. Turn your wheels in reverse, aiming for the back corner. Step 4. Continue until your rear wheels cross the boundary line. Step 5. Turn the wheels full lock in the opposite direction and reverse. Step 6. Pull forward ever so slightly. There we go. In 2 moves, you're in the parking bay and perfectly parked.